joining us today. My name is Rebecca Gonzalez and I am a librarian with the San Jose Public Library. On today's pre-recorded program, we will be learning a basic sugar cookie recipe. There are many ways to customize this recipe, but the one I'm using today can be found at allrecipes.com. The ingredients we'll be using today are 2 3/4 cups flour, half a teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon vanilla, 1.5 cups white sugar, 1 cup butter softened, and 1 egg. Optional ingredients are cinnamon, pumpkin pie spice, food coloring, sprinkles, or frosting, either store-bought or homemade. The equipment we will be using today are a standard-sized oven, cookie sheets, an oven mitt, 2 mixing bowls, a mixing spoon, measuring cups, and measuring spoons. Optional equipment are spatulas, an electric mixer, and a cooling rack. Before you start mixing and measuring your ingredients, be sure to preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. All right, let's get started. In a small bowl, stir together flour, baking soda, and baking powder. Set aside. In a large bowl, cream together the butter and sugar until smooth. Beat in egg and vanilla. Gradually blend in the dry ingredients. Roll rounded tablespoonfuls of dough into balls and place onto ungreased cookie sheets. Bake 8 to 10 minutes in the preheated oven or until golden brown. Let stand on cookie sheet 2 minutes before removing to a cooling rack. Thank you again for joining the San Jose Public Library. We hope you've enjoyed this program. Please feel free to share your variations on this recipe in the comments below, and if you have time, fill out our online program survey. I also invite you to check out other virtual programs at sjpl.org/virtual programs and subscribe to our social media at San Jose Library. You can also sign up for our e-newsletter at sjpl.org/e-newsletter to stay informed about all things SJPL. Stay safe and happy holidays.